want a simple and efficient way to send, receive, and even earn money? Today, I will show you how to do it all with the TaptapSend app. Whether you want to send money to loved ones or earn a little extra, this app has got you covered. In this video, I will walk you through how to set up the TaptapSend send and receive money, and I will explain how you can earn money just by using this app. Stay tuned until the end to see how you can get the most out of TaptapSend. What is TaptapSend Send? TaptapSend Send is a fast and easy way to send money to friends and family across countries, especially from the US, UK, and Europe to Africa and Asian countries. TaptapSend offers low fees, great exchange rate, and the ability to transfer money securely from your phone. Setting up the TaptapSend app. Download the app. First, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download TaptapSend Send. Register and verify your account. Once installed, open the app, enter your phone number, and follow the instructions to set up your profile. You will need to verify your identity using a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver license. Next, link your payment method. After verification, you will need to link a payment method. TaptapSend allows you to link a bank account or card to make transfers. How to send money with TaptapSend. Choose the recipient country. To send money, start by selecting the country you want to send funds to. TaptapSend supports multiple countries, so make sure to pick the correct one. Enter the amount of money you wish to send. Display the exchange rate and fees upfront, so you know exactly what to expect. Add the recipient details, including their phone numbers or bank account, depending on how they will receive the fund. After entering all the details, review the transaction summary. Once everything looks good, hit send. Your recipient should receive the money within minutes. Isn't that wonderful? Now, how do one receive money with TaptapSend? Just your mobile wallet and bank transfer. Recipient can either receive money directly into their bank account or mobile wallet, depending on the country. TaptapSend works with popular mobile wallets like MTN Mobile Money, Vodafone Cash, and more. Notification and access to your funds. The money is sent, your recipient will receive a notification. They can then withdraw or use the funds straight from their mobile wallet or bank. On how to earn money with TaptapSend has a referral program that allows you to earn money by inviting friends to the app. Here is how you can do it. Share your referral code. Go to the invite friends section in the app and share your unique referral code with friends or family. Step 2. Friends use the code. When they sign up using your code and send money for the first time, you will both get rewards, which is usually cash or a discount on your next transfer. Step 3. Withdraw your earnings. The money you earn from referral can be transferred to your bank account or mobile wallet. Like any other transaction, follow tip on maximizing earnings. To maximize your earning, share your codes on social media, WhatsApp or email, and encourage your network to use the app. Benefits of using TaptapSend. 1 is low fee and competitive exchange rate. TaptapSend has one of the best features of low transfer fee and excellent exchange rates, so you get more value for your money. 2, fast and secure transfer. Are quick and secure in TaptapSend, with most recipients getting money within minutes. 3, earning potential. Don't forget, you can earn money by referring others to the app, making it a great way to save and earn. So, whether you need to send money to family abroad, receive funds, or earn through referral, TaptapSend have you covered. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tips on managing your money digitally. Also, if you haven't already downloaded TapTap app and start using it today, links are in the description below. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.